Amazon FBA product research, one of the toughest parts of selling on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to walk you through two very important things to focus on when you are doing product research. However, my mission for this video is that by the end of the video, you can figure out how much should be the cost of any product you want to sell on Amazon so that you can make the profit that you want. Are you ready? Let's jump into it. So, when we're talking product research, we're talking about utilizing tools. And in this video, I'm going to be utilizing Helium 10. By the way, Helium 10 have a special discount running this month. So if you're watching this video when it's released, go down to the description box of this video and find a special 35% discount for the next 6 months on Helium 10. Run, do not walk. So why is it basically important to utilize tools? Because Amazon is a data-driven business, and at the end of the day, you need to have some form of information and data so that you can make an informed decision rather than risk it and hope for the best. So, like I said, in this video, not only am I going to do a quick product research, but also I'm going to show you how you can figure out what should be the cost of the product that you intend to sell on Amazon so that you can make the right profit. Now, let's get started by thinking about a product. I would suggest that you think about a recent product that you bought, but avoid these three things. Number one, avoid branded products. So if you recently bought the iPhone, no, we're not going to be selling an iPhone. Also, avoid skincare products and beauty products, basically anything that you need to put on or anything that you would put on your skin, because those products require a lot of regulations, as well as I would certainly avoid food because the grocery category is also heavy regulated on Amazon, and we're talking here particularly in the UAE. So I'm on Amazon right now and I typed in ankle brace, which is a recent product that I just purchased. One thing that I want you to see here is something that Helium 10 also provides is additional long tail keywords, which can help you identify probably something that people really like with the product or another product. So as you can see here, I typed in ankle brace. It's showing me, for example, ankle brace support for men. So it might be, or for women. So there might be some concept of maybe an ankle brace specifically created for men or for women. Anyhow, let's look at the whole ankle brace products, and you'll notice there's a lot of products. Now, what we're going to be using is the Chrome drop-down extension from Helium 10 called X-Ray. The reason for utilizing X-Ray is because we want to figure out whether or not this could be a good product to sell. Number one, we're looking at how many units other sellers are selling, and we're looking at potential revenue for the product. But not only that, we want to look at certain averages, which we can see right here quickly through Helium 10. This is the type of data that I was referring to. This type of information you can't find unless you have a certain tool. Now, if you've watched a video before on the channel, you know that we constantly suggest that you remove the products that are being advertised. Not that there's anything wrong with advertising, but because I want to see organic sales, what would happen if the product is selling organically. So as you can see here, for example, this product, which I think is the one that I bought, is selling at a really low price at only 38, almost 39 dirhams. However, they're selling approximately 100 units per month. So for the UAE, this is an ideal product because remember, this product is very lightweight and very small in size. However, you do need to remember that this product is under the health category. So you might want to do your research and see whether or not you are eligible to list under that category, because yes, these products do have additional requirements by Amazon. So here we're also looking at the sales of the seller, trying to figure out whether or not this is a product that is just currently in demand, whether it's just like a seasonal product or something like that. We can see, yes, some of the times there is an increase in sales, especially recently, but still it is an everyday product that people are looking for and purchasing on a daily basis. Now, with that being said, let's actually go to this product. As you can see, Even Amazon is telling me that it's selling at around 100 plus in the past month. And that's exactly the data that we saw on Helium 10. Now, I'm on this page because we're on to our second part of using Helium 10. Remember, the mission is to try to figure out, okay, if I want to sell this product and I want to sell it at 39 dirhams, what should I be buying it for, especially if I want to do a certain amount of profit? Very easy. We're going to be utilizing the profitability calculator, but we're going to be reverse engineering our calculations. So let me show you. Again, we go into the drop-down extension from Helium 10 and we click on profitability calculator. As you can see here, the profitability calculator is pulling all of the data from this particular page, pulling the dimensions, the weight, and the current selling price. So let me assume that I'm going to be selling the product at the same price. Here, Helium 10 is suggesting that the manufacturing cost of the unit is 7.7 dirhams and the freight cost is 400 dirhams per cubic meter, which means unit freight is 0.48, which is interesting. So they're helping me out. And if you see all of the calculations, including the FBA fee, the storage fee, the monthly storage fee, the referral fee that is paid once the product is sold, then basically if I sell the product at around 38, 39 dirhams, and if I buy it at these suggested prices, then my gross margin, why gross margin? Because this doesn't take into consideration anything that I'll have to spend on ads, is 49.29%. If this is an appropriate number for you, if you like these numbers, then this is exactly what you need to do. You need to find a manufacturer that's going to give you a unit cost of 7.79 and your shipping should be exactly what was shown, 0.48 dirhams per unit. Let's play around a little bit. Let's say, actually, I want a higher profit margin. So if I bring this down to 5, what is going to be the difference? It's going to be 56. So let's say the concept of this is for you to have a certain profit margin in mind and then reverse engineer it so that you can figure out based on the fees from Amazon, okay, I need to make sure that I can manufacture the product for this amount and I ship it for this cost. So basically the cost of the goods should be X so that I'll be able to make the profit that I want. That's why I like this tool, because you can utilize it in multiple ways. And this is one of the easiest ways for you to use it in order to figure out how much money your product should cost. So mission completed. With that being said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any upload, and make sure that you like this video. Leave me your comments and your questions in the comments section below, and I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.